good, everyone? Welcome back to the #1 channel for conscious vegans. My name is T. If this is your first time, welcome. So right now, what time is it? It's 8:27. 8:27 in the morning. I'm headed to the grocery store right now. Do some grocery shopping. So I want y'all to come along as I do my shopping. They said early bird get the worm, the early vegan get the fruit. So that's where we're headed right now, to Whole Foods. So continue watching this video. Let's see what I get. Oh yeah, but I eat some seaweed chips too, early in the morning. Seaweed is good, a great source of omega-3. Omega-3 is good for your brain function. So it's great to wake up eating brain food. But yeah, I'll be back when I get to Whole Foods. All right guys, so I finally arrived at Whole Foods, but I'm here now. And yeah, let's get into it. How you doing? So we're gonna start with the produce aisle. So we're gonna start with the produce and then make our way around. I ain't gonna show you everything because then you ain't gonna have to watch the video. Just show y'all what I get in the produce section. Try to keep everything alkaline. For all those who know what alkaline is, I'm gonna leave a link to the bottom of the video, show you guys what alkaline is. But I try to get a lot of fruits and vegetables that are alkaline, just because our body is naturally alkaline, so it kind of coincides with each other, you know. So let me get some ginger as well, because we'll make me a ginger lime shot today. Whole Foods don't have alkaline limes. Their limes are regular. They don't have key limes. So key limes have like the seeds in them. You'd be better off going to like a farmer's market or like a Chinese supermarket. They be having them though. But Whole Foods never have them. Let me see, they got baby bananas. Get some baby bananas. Yep. No, they don't. So you only got this organic GMO. Even though it's organic, it's still GMO. Traditional banana is not the original banana. So only stick with, excuse me, can I grab these one? So only stick with like the red bananas and burro bananas or baby bananas. Those are the only bananas I mess with. Everything else is GMO. Get some apples, you know, apple a day, keep the doctor away. So we get some apples. And we got a juicer, so I'm trying to get Tina to start juicing more. Instead of buying apple juice, it's cheaper just to juice it ourselves. So the apples here are $2.49 a pound, which is kind of expensive, but it's organic. And I only tend to get fruits and vegetables with like soft skin, organic. Anything with like a tough skin, I tend to try to get the regular one because the skin is tough. You don't really have to worry too much that the chemicals are seeking into your fruit. So that's why it's better to just get, you know, organic fruits that are soft ones. What's good, everyone? So now I'm back in the crib, just got in. So usually if y'all see my other grocery hauls, a lot of times I'll put the food all out and then I'll show y'all. It's just for better, I guess, presentation. But you know, having 5 kids, a lot of times things can't always go the way you plan. So I just figured to make it easier on me and just it'll be quick for y'all too as well. I'm just gonna take things out the bag and show y'all guys what I got from the grocery store as I take it out the bag. So yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing I got was these are organic strawberries I was telling y'all about. And then, did I pick them out right? Did I do good? Because Tina always complaining about, you don't know how to pick out fruit. But I'm getting way better at picking out fruit. So comment down below if you think this is a good batch of strawberries. Try to see the road. Good batch. Good batch, I think. Strawberries. So next, we got some taco shells. Remember I showed y'all this in the store? I showed y'all these in the store. I really like this brand. It's only like 5 ingredients in it. So I haven't tried that. I'll let y'all see the ingredients real quick, real fast. You can pause it and yeah. Simple ingredients. I like these tacos. I'm not really a fan of corn. No, corn isn't good for your digestive system, and I'm just trying to eat a lot of foods that aren't bad for your digestive system. I'm not gonna say a lie. I said perfect. A lot of people out here be state that they eat straight one way. So sometimes I might dwell in processed foods a little bit, especially when having younger kids. You know, sometimes it can be harder for them to eat all whole plant-based foods. So I got this right here again. If you look at my last video, then had these. So again, like I said, I don't always get processed foods. It's all about moderation. So hot dogs right there. Put those in the refrigerator for me. Next, we got some egg roll wrappers. You know, again, Tina, she can make it from scratch. So if you don't believe me, comment down below, because you'll definitely see the comments that you're interested in her making a egg roll wrappers from scratch, and she'll make it for you. This is all about convenience, you know, and that's how I understand why some people eat processed foods, but like I said, it's all about moderation. Can't eat too much because you gotta eat to live, not live to eat. So again, if you're interested in a recipe or how to make it, you know, comment down below. Like I said, she listen to y'all. She don't really listen to me. Next, same brand as the taco shells. We got some chickpea flour tortillas. Like I told y'all guys in the store, if y'all want to see Tina for her to make anything like stuff like this, comment down below like, Tina, can you show me how to make it? And I promise you she won't make that recipe again. So yeah, I like these chickpea with ingredients. Pause it. Yeah, there we go. I like that. Like that, right? So what's next? Next, we got some sweet peppers. Tina, a fan of these right here. So, you know, got some sweet peppers. She be eating with some hummus. I indulge in it sometimes. And if y'all haven't seen our red and blue challenge video, I'm gonna leave a link. You seen Sai eating red peppers on there, trying out to do the challenge together, my daughter. So, and we'll see if she eat these as well. Next, we got some oyster mushrooms. You know, alkaline mushrooms. Then we got some portobello caps. The bigger ones, you know, if you clean out the inside, you can always make it to like a burger. Tina be doing all the cooking, but I told her, I was like, yo, we need to do the versus video. Her cooking versus my cooking, so you can cook better. And yeah, filming for y'all guys. If y'all think that'll be a good video, see if she can cook, we both get a certain dish, cook it, had the kids try it out, and you know, let y'all see what it look like. And yeah, see if we cook better. If y'all think that'll be a good video, you know, comment down below. Cause she's scared of versus me. She's scared. I'm not the best cook, but I'm a quick learner. She don't want no smoke, as they say. Next, we got some cucumbers. Organic ones. You know, I don't, if the skin is soft, you know, try to get organic. The skin is kind of hard. It don't really have to be organic. But if it's a reasonable price, I would get organic, you know, like oranges or something like that. But for stuff with like thin skin like this, soft skin, I would definitely get organic. Next is agua, water. Y'all know this is my favorite brand of water. I've been following this. If you're not following me, this is my favorite brand of water, Mount Valley water. I had did a pH tester on this water. If y'all interested in learning the pH level of this brand of water right here, I'm gonna leave the link down here or right here. And also in that video, I had tested the pH level of like 11 other waters. So you know, you should check out that video, see if one of your waters, your favorite brand of water, is on there, and see if it's alkaline or not. You know, and if you know, this, again, I don't want to reiterate it, but you know, there might be somebody new. If you're not familiar with what alkaline is, you know, I have a video explaining what alkaline is, and you know, the benefits of drinking and eating alkaline and things like that. So it's better to get water that is naturally alkaline. So yeah, check out that video too as well. What is alkaline? So next, we have pico de gallo. For those tacos, you know. Taco. Next, we got some white rice. If it ain't wrong, it's right. So I got that white rice. So this rice is heck expensive. But I want to sit here and tell y'all guys something. To make it real quick, a lot of people think that eating vegan is expensive. I always say eating meat or unhealthy is expensive because you got to take it in account your whole life. Think about if you get sick, your medical bills and things like that. So if you think about everything in a whole, it's probably more expensive to eat meat because, like I said, you're gonna have health problems and things like that than it is to eat vegan. If you're a conscious vegan, you're gonna be as healthy. You're gonna be real healthy, especially if you're knowledgeable. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you get the right minerals and things like that. Which I'm doing a video of that as well because there's 11 key nutrients that we as vegans or plant-based eaters should focus on. So I've been doing a lot of memes and videos on my IGTV and on Instagram. So check out my Instagram at peacelovevegan420 if you're not following us, and you'll get a more insight on nutritional value. But yeah, white rice is definitely expensive. It's cheaper to eat whole plant-based food than it is processed foods, and that's with any diet. Got some garbanzo beans. We got a whole bunch over there that's not in a box like this. Things like this, it's convenient, Latina, so that's why I get it in a box. But like I was saying, we got the regular one right over here. Keep them right on that. You feel me? All by convenience. Got some ginger. I told y'all guys I gotta make a ginger, lime, and cucumber shot. Check again. Follow me on Instagram. I'm doing a video and a reel showing the different detox shots that you can take. One is like ginger and lime, another one is like ginger, lime, cucumber, and just going over the benefits of each and every one of them, and you know how to incorporate, not how, but why you should incorporate in tea diet. But you got that good ginger right here. Got some orange juice. I'll be trying to tell Tina to make our own orange juice. We got a juicer. But again, remember, repeat it to me. Convenience. It's all about convenience. You know, just trying to help her out. You know, because once we get to that point where we're not, you know, juggling kids and a business and just our personal relationship, things like that, then we can really stick to juicing and things like that. But while we're on the go and doing everything, you know, both kids, you know, my oldest son, he's on online school. Christian's on online school. You know, so it's a lot. So again, convenience helps. Next, I want to try this before. You can always make this yourself. Got some watermelon, straight watermelon juice, 100% real. Next, we want some vegetables, frozen vegetables and fruit. Some broccoli, florets, organic. Got those blueberries. You already know I'm on the blueberries now. And I got one regular and I got a wild blueberry, so it's the difference. So I got regular blueberries, they got organic wild blueberries. These are supposed to be, it's kind of, so wild blueberry is similar to like sprouted lentils. You know how they got regular lentils and like sprouted lentils. One is more nutrition, have more nutritional value because it's sprouted. The same concept with the organic, the wild blueberry. Got some 3 pepper strips in the blend. Peaches and cream. Peaches and cream right there, peaches. Got the good strawberries. And some organic strawberries as well. You know, so it's good to have like frozen fruit, so for like your smoothies, or to add it to like your oatmeal, your spelt cereal, spelt flakes. You can add like fruit to the side or fruit on it. And actually had some spelt flakes coming today, my Amazon order. So I wanted to show you guys, so this is what I mean. So they eat oatmeal, we eat raw flakes or spelt flakes. So that's it right there. You try to eat way healthier for you than oatmeal. And spelt is alkaline too. So if you go over all those into an alkaline diet, spelt. Next we have some good old kale. I'll show y'all the seaweed chips. If you really want to know why chips are bad for you, like I said, follow me on my Instagram at peacelovevegan420. Like I said, I'm here to give y'all guys value. Like that's why I created this, you know, to educate people how to eat and live constantly. And I continuously read, you know, books, magazines, articles, things like that. And I just give y'all the best information for y'all. You know, life is short. It's all about getting value as soon, as fast as possible. So if I can give y'all a whole bunch of value in a 20-minute video, I think that's worth it. I think that's worth watching. So we got that good old kale. Then we got some more bottled water. So I just wanted, I bought 2 different ones because, you know, show y'all why is it different, and the price wise different as well too. So right here you see what is like 25.38 ounces. This is $2.99. This is 1 liter. It was $2.49. I'm guessing this is more expensive because of the container. So what that means is I'm keeping the container. I'm keeping it because I'm getting my money out of it. But I think that's why though. I think that's why. I can't tell y'all guys how Tina feel about avocado. So I got a whole bunch of avocado. She loves sparkling water too. She making her own soda. So sparkling water. Got that good old sparkling water. This is one seasoning that I got. I forgot to show you guys. It's coconut amino. So it's like soy sauce but made out of coconuts. So we had a whole bunch of stuff, products like that. If y'all interested in like a kitchen tour, I need y'all guys to spam that comment section, comment down below. You know, I've been telling Tina like, yo, we should do a kitchen tour. Like I said, she listen to y'all. So if y'all do that, she'll definitely do it. We stay with a whole bunch of pasta. Like I said, food. So it's like, when you order from like Amazon stuff like this, you get chickpea pasta, and the only ingredients in it is chickpea flour. So we got a whole bunch of stuff like that around the house. So guys, so if y'all interested in knowing and seeing, I got this today as well. Coconut water, my favorite brand. If you ever tried it, please try it. The pink coconut water. So like I said, we got a whole bunch of things like that. Chickpea flour pasta, spelt flakes, all these spelt flours, raw flours, tep flours, you know. So if you're interested in learning what seasons we use, what's in our refrigerator, what's in our freezer, what's in our small refrigerator over there, what's in our cabinets, you know, like I said, spam the comment section, leave a comment, and like I said, we'll definitely be back with a kitchen tour, showing you guys, you know, what's in our kitchen, what appliances we use, and what foods that we keep like regular. Like, what do you always keep? Certain foods people always keep in their house. Chickpea flour, we stay with like lentils. How they open it, like I said. Gotta keep it on deck just in case you need it. So stay with the lentils. I said I'm hyped. I'm hyped to show you guys. So like I said, please comment down below. So I'll have a reason to record this video for y'all. Like I said, Tina listen to y'all. So appreciate y'all watching this video in its entirety. Please give this video a like. Please follow, subscribe, hit that post notification button. If you're not following us on Instagram, please do so at peacelovevegan420. You know, we just got a TikTok. About to start using TikTok a lot. And everything I can to get this vegan message out, I'm using it. I'm doing. Like, I'm not doing this for the money. I'm doing this for the value. I'm doing this till at the end of the day, like, my mom and dad had this information, they'll still be here. I'm trying to do this, trying to save somebody's mom, somebody's dad. You know, I'm not Jesus. I'm not God. But I'm somebody that's knowledgeable, that experienced this experience as far as losing parents for diet-related causes, and I just don't want nobody else to go through it. You feel me? I have a whole family that I'm trying to educate how to eat consciously. So why not make a brand to teach everybody? So that's why we created Peace Love Vegan. So appreciate y'all for watching this video. Like I always say, dare to be vegan. Peace.